welcome to our look at the upcoming Tuesday, March 3rd trading session. Pretty interesting session as we have an interest rate announcement coming out of Australia. That, of course, will move the Australian dollar, and they are expected to cut by a quarter point. That being the case, the rate statement will probably have more of an influence. It'll talk about global growth and especially Asia, so that could move Asian markets. We have GDP coming out of Canada later in the day. Really, probably not much of a market mover in general. So beyond the RBA statement, we really don't have much to look at from a fundamental standpoint. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that during the Monday session, we have had a positive trading period. That being the case, it looks like we're ready to continue to go higher. We are buyers of calls on dips and, of course, a breakout above the recent high at the 2120 level. Looking at the gold markets, you can see we tried to rally during Monday, but found so much resistance at 1220. It looks like we're ready to simply consolidate in the same area that we have been consolidating for some time in. So any fall from here should find call buying opportunities on supportive candles. A break above 1220, of course, is very bullish as well, and we'd be calls up there. We'd be buyers of calls up there. Looking at the DAX, you can see we tried to rally during the session on Monday. We fell back to form a little bit of a shooting star, so quite frankly, we expect a pullback. That's okay. Let it come back to you. Find a supportive candle below and start buying calls again. If we break the top of the shooting star, that of course is a very positive sign as well, and we'd be buyers of calls. We have no interest whatsoever in buying puts. This market's just far too strong. And with that, we have looked at the upcoming Tuesday, March 3rd trading session.